Hey guys and gals, quick video here. I know a lot of you struggle with finding the correct sprinkler to use, but I can tell you right now, the new version is awesome. You'll love it. Has the quick disconnect on the end. You will absolutely love this one right here. It is far over and above this one right here. Just thought I'd share that with you. If you're looking for a heavy duty aluminum frame, I mean, this thing stays put. There's multiple adjustments on it compared to this thing, which gets all gunked up inside here, and then it stops, gets a speck of dirt in it. You'll love that thing. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson Thompson. As we always say, don't be a schmuckle, because if you become a schmuckle, you'll never have any friends. That's true. Mr. Know-It-All, out.